We'll discuss about some other set methods. So we'll see there is a method called pop. So this method in set class removes an arbitrary item from the set collection. The removed item is returned by the method. Popping from an empty set results key error. Syntax obj set dot pop return value. This method returns the object removed from the set. For example, we'll take this one. Okay, print set before popping lang2. Then we'll use obj equal to lang2 dot pop. Okay, now print statement. Okay, object popped obj print after popping. Okay, then we'll see this behavior. Okay, so in this set we have three languages: English, French, Italian. Set before popping, it will print the lang2. We have used pop method once. It has to remove one object, one item, and after popping, what is the lang2? We are just checking. Yeah, you can see object popped English, set after popping, two more remaining, Italian and French. So suppose you fetch again, if you use pop method again and print again after second time popping lang2. So now again you execute, one more item has to be removed. See, set before popping English Italian, object popped English, set after popping two items. First time. After second time French. Okay. So two got removed, one more is left, that is French. Okay, like that. Okay. Now we will see clear method. One more method called clear method. So this method in set class removes all the items in a set object, leaving an empty set. So syntax set dot clear. Suppose if you take this same data, I'll use lang2 dot clear, then set before clear here, after clear, then print lang2. This will see. I can see set before clear, all three items are there: English, French, Italian. Lang2 clear I have used. It will clear everything. It will give empty set. That is this one. Okay. So this is clear method. And we'll discuss about Python loop sets. Since we knew the objects in a set cannot be traversed with index or key, you can traverse each item in a set using a for loop. So for example, lan1 ruby cpp angular python for lang in lan1 print lang. So it prints all set items. If you execute here, yeah, you can see like this: cpp angular ruby python. So it printed. Good. Now one more example we'll see. Set 1 equal to 11 22 3 comma 4 comma 5. You take set 2 44 25 66 27 98. We'll traverse set 2 then set 1 dot, we'll use add method x print set 1. So we have taken two sets, and set 2 we are traversing from first item to end item, and these individual items we are adding into set 1 by using add method. In set 1 all these two set items have to be combined and displayed set 1. So we'll check this one. Yeah, you can see from set 1 11 22 3 4 5, and set 2 44 55 66 27 98. So all these items have combined together and added to set 1. Especially set 2 items are added to set 1 and printed. So this is how we need to traverse the set items. Now we'll talk about Python join sets. So we'll see how to join sets. Okay, with some operator. So what are these? So here Python set class has different provisions to join set objects using the union using the this operator. It is this symbol is pipe operator. Okay, operator. So this symbol is defined as the union operator. It performs the A union B union B operation and returns a set of items in A, comma B or both. Set does not allow duplicate items. So we'll see one example. Set 1, 11, 22, 3, 4, 5. Set 2, 44, 45, 66, 27, 98. Set 3 equal to set 1, then pipe, that means union, set 2. Now print set 3. We'll run this code. Yeah, you see union operator also combined, and set 1 and set 2 items are combined and added to set 3. So that's how union operator work. Then using the unparking operator. So what do you mean by unparking? In Python, the star symbol is used unparking operator. So what it does, it internally assign each element in a collection to a separate variable. We'll see same example data. Then set 3 equal to brace star set 1 star set 2 print set 3. So this also will test it. Yeah, it also have performed the same thing. Like set 3, from set 1 and set 2, all the data items got added in set 3. So um, this is how we need to use union update, then Python loop sets. We'll discuss about copy sets. The copy method in set creates a shallow copy of a set object. Syntax set dot copy return value. The copy method returns a new set which is a shallow copy of existing set. For example, we'll take some set lang1, Ruby, Python, Node, and Ada. Print lang1, lang1 id of lang1, id of lang1. We are printing id. Then lang2 equal to lang1 dot copy. Then print statement will use one more time. Here instead of lang1, lang2, lang2. So we are also printing lang2 id. lang1 dot add php. First of all, before that, we'll check this one. We have done copy. We'll execute here. Lang1 comma. Okay. Yeah, now you can see lang1, lang2 copy has been made, but id of lang1 ends with 552, but id of lang2 ends with 856. Lang1 ends with 552, lang2 ends with 85. Both are different IDs. Okay, so that's what observation. Now you add some other code statements. Lang1 dot add php. Okay, we have added one more set item to lang1. Then print uh, after updating, after adding new item in lang1. Okay, this is one more print statement we have kept. Now we'll try to see same print statement. And we'll also see what is the lang1 item and lang2, whether the added lang1 item got copied or not. What is the difference between copy? We can clearly understand. Run. If you observe, first time copy made, IDs are different. After adding the new item in lang1 if you try to print, new item got added to lang1. ID is same, 448. lang1 ID is same. But only difference is new element has been added, that is PHP in lang1. In lang2 if you observe, the new item not added. That is the difference between copy method. Copy means two sets points different memory location. That's what we need to observe. Okay, so lang1 ID is same here also. lang2 ID is same. Only the thing is new element got added to lang1, that is PHP. So that's how copy method works. Okay, that's all for today's session.